Anyways, it is here. I just purchased SMG4 Tari shirts. It was like a crossover between like two different Taris from SMG4 and for the debut of his Glitchy Boys series called Meta Runners or Meta Runners, whatever it's called. Yeah, I'm gonna open this. This is the first unboxing ever. It's time to open it. Just give me 1 second. Okay, this I don't really don't like opening stuff that's made out of tape. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Here we go. Whew. Okay. I'm just folding it. Woo. Anyways, there you go. I kind of liked it. Well, it could have been bigger. You know, it's kind of like a bit small. Well, it could have been like, you know, like a bit bigger. That way it can be like a good shirt. See, last time I bought another Tari shirt with the ducky right here, and SMG4 girl shirt. Well, like it kind of like a bit bigger. I only talk about the girl shirts. It's kind of like small, related to the size of this one. But the Tari ducky shirt, like it was just fine. So anyway, yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm the first guy who unboxing this two different versions of Taris. And look, and they strike a pose just like the inspiration of Sonic Generations logo. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this shirt. It's only exclusively, like, limited stock edition, only on shop.smg4.com. See ya.